A speech on World Environment Day. Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Angelina Thomas, gladly taking this opportunity to speak a few words on a topic that is of utmost importance to our world, the environment. Every year on 5th June, World Environment Day is observed globally. The major goal of the annual event is to raise awareness of the value of the resources on our planet and the need to protect them. The world is being inundated by plastic. More than 400 million tons of plastic is produced every year, half of which is designed to be used only once. Of that, less than 10% is recycled. An estimated 19 to 23 million tons of plastic ends up in lakes, oceans, and seas. Today, plastic clogs our landfills, leaches into the ocean, and is combusted into toxic smoke, making it one of the gravest threats to the planet. Not only that, what is less known is that microplastics find their way into the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe. World Environment Day 2023 showcased how countries, businesses, and individuals are learning to use the material more sustainably, offering hope that one day plastic pollution will be history. World Environment Day 2023 was a reminder that people's actions on plastic pollution matters. The steps governments and businesses are taking to tackle plastic pollution are the consequences of this action. Last but not least, the purpose of World Environment Day is to remind us that we are the custodians of this planet. It is time to accelerate this action and transition to a circular economy. It is time to beat plastic pollution. I appreciate your attention, and let's make our Mother Nature a better place together. A happy World Environment Day to you all.